We're out here today at D Gun Range with the guys from D-Boss Firearms. This is Mike. That is Mike's flamethrower. Yep, that's what I said. That's a flamethrower. Mike and his flamethrower are going to help us show you the importance of having drywall and not just OSB in between your garage and your house. So what we're gonna have Mike do here shortly is throw his flames at both of these boards and show you the difference in the damage that you see. So let's get flamethrowing.
That's fun.
If you have a fire, call Aquire. That was awesome. We got this board completely charred up, all black, burned through. This one barely even looks like we put any fire on it. This is a perfect example of how important it is to have this kind of drywall between your garage and your house. Otherwise, that fire is going to sneak right through this weak little stuff and it's going to come right into your house. So, you just got schooled. All right, I just want to give a special thank you to Dave and Mike from D-Boss Firearms for letting us come down to D Gun Range and shoot your flamethrower at our stuff. Love burning things. That was a good time. If you want to get a hold of the D-Boss guys, we'll put their information under here somewhere or up here. I don't know. I'm really not that great at editing. It'll be on here. Otherwise, you can find them at 609 North Main Street right in Oshkosh. So thanks, guys. Appreciate it.